Hello, hi everyone. In this session, we are going to see how to create an S3 bucket and how to upload the files to S3 bucket and how the S3 bucket is going to help according to the use cases when we can use the S3 bucket. So here I have the documentation of an Amazon S3. When we are going to use is that before going to this documentation, like to simplify this and to say when we are going to use, here I have like a CSV files. Here we can see 6.3 MB of data. So there will be like different kind of data MBs we can see here, right? Based on the data, how much we have. So if we have like a large data in the CSV or large files and all like images, it's not only CSV, like any file. So we can go and use the S3 bucket in this case. We can upload the CSV. Example, I uploaded the CSV here and images here. We can upload this and we can retrieve this CSV file information and then we can read the data which is present in the CSV. Example, if we take like Amazon, so here if we see these are some of the products. These products might be like a 10 lakhs products example if we think. Those 10 lakh products, if it's present in this CSV file. Now, those 10 lakhs products we are going to read from the CSV which contains the product information and we will store those in database in the background. Means first we are uploading to S3 bucket. From S3 bucket, we are trying to read the information according to our coding standards, like how we are going to choose. So this is how we can use the S3 bucket. And this is like one kind of example which I had mentioned. And you can see here, like there are like lot of images, right? Those might be taking lot of size of images will vary. If we want to store like images in S3 bucket, we can do that. Like this will help like to retrieve the information and security, like who can create, update, delete and all, retrieving and uploading the data and all. So we can see according to the documentation how it is going to help. So here we can see S3 to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. This is first thing. And then we have like S3 stores data as objects within a bucket. So it stores as an object. And the third one, if we see like here, it's control access to who can create, delete, and list objects in the bucket. So this is how S3 bucket is going to help. And they have like a free online courses also on this. Now we are going to create the bucket and we can upload the files here. So here, this name, what we are going to give should be unique globally. Not only up to here, it should be globally unique. So now I'm going to create, example, if I create just demo, it will throw an error here that bucket with same name already exists. So I can create demo test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I create the name, this name is already present. And if I create like 8, 9, so this name is not present. So it is going to take and it shows here the message like successfully created. So here, this is the one which we created just now. And we can click on this and we can upload the file here or we can create the folders here. So we can create the folder here like 2022, the folder, and we can create the another folder 2023 and we can upload the files to this, or normally in this section also we can upload the file directly. I can upload the file here. We can see here add files and I'm gonna upload these two files. So here we can see an upload. And here we can see the progress bar. This is 73.81%. So like this, the progress we can see and upload succeeded. And we are closing this. And these files, if you see this, if we click on this file and we can see the size here and there. And if we click on this, this is the CSV file. And if we want to know what the information is present in this CSV, one thing what we can do is like we can download this or we can open this. So once we open what is the information present in the CSV, we will get to know. This is how we can see the information present in the buckets. So if we want to move this to any of the folder, we can do that actions and then move, and then we can browse S3. And if I want to move it to 2023, I can choose the destination here and then I can say move. This is done. Successfully moved objects and then close. So if I go to 2023, I can see the files. And if I go to 2022, there are no files. This is an empty. So this is how we can create the bucket, and the bucket which was created, it will help us like when we are loading the image. Example, if I added like a multiple hundreds, thousands of images will be there. If I go to the infrastructure, if it is increasing for our any kind of like websites and all. So if there are like n number of images and all, right? Now, so here we can see those and all we can load from S3, and we can upload data into the website through like CSV. We can add like 10 lakhs, example, 10 lakh of products are there. We can add those 10 lakh of products. We can read from CSV and we can push it to database. So like that, in the background, we can do a number of operations, what we are uploading to S3. This is how it helping. And in the next sessions, we will see how to create the signed URL like from coding perspective, how we can upload this from the coding perspective. Thank you.